Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need clean data and a deliberate first click. Select any cell in your list. Don't waste time selecting a whole range, then choose Insert Pivot Table. Once you pick New Sheet, click Create. The blank pivot and the editor pane appear. Make sure headers are correct so Sheets infers types. This step matters because pivot fields map directly to column headers. Once the pivot editor is visible, you're ready to assign rows, columns, and values without delay. Start by dragging a category into rows. This groups your records. Once done, add your numeric measure to values and choose Summarize by SUM or Count. Pick Average when you need Mean. If you need a two-dimensional view, add a field to columns to create a crosstab. Make sure to apply filters for dates, categories, or top N. Filters reduce noise and speed analysis. You can also change value formatting and show as % of row or column to reveal proportions. Finalize by cleaning labels and formatting values. Use currency, 0 decimals, or % to match your message. Once done, if data changes shape, add the new rows to the source range, or use a dynamic range like an entire column reference. Make sure to reapply filters if the dataset expands. If numbers look wrong, check for text stored as numbers, use value or trim extra spaces. If the pivot won't update, verify headers match exactly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.